Hello and welcome to Prime News. First, a look at the headlines. WRD Minister Dayanand Mandrekar defends MLA Babu Kawrekar in his own department's engineer suicide case, says no need to end life because of MLA's call. Compensation to Tilari affected faces roadblock. People want amount credited directly in their account. Do not trust Maharashtra government. Goa awaits least. Qurbani for Bakri Eid only at Goa Meat Complex. No facility at other places. Court directs petitioner to ensure Qurbani is not performed elsewhere. Sports Authority of Goa gives GCA chance to file effective reply to show cause notice. SAG calls GCA president or secretary to face-to-face talks. And Indian men's hockey team enters final at Asian Games. Vikas Gowda clinches silver medal in discus throw. And now the news in detail. Officer should not commit suicide just because a MLA calls or summons him. This is WRD Minister Dayanand Mandrekar's take on engineer Kiran Godbole's suicide. MLA Babu Kawrekar had summoned Kiran Godbole on the day he committed suicide. MLA's calling officers to inquire about work status doesn't mean one should commit suicide. This was Mandrekar's defense in support of MLA Babu Kawrekar. WRD Minister Dayanand Mandrekar has openly backed MLA Babu Kawrekar in WRD engineer Kiran Godbole's suicide case. Godbole's phone details reveal that MLA Babu Kawrekar was the last person to call him on the day of suicide. Mandrekar said that MLAs do call officers and engineers to inquire about the status of their works. Mandrekar questioned media asking whether he would have been held responsible for Godbole's suicide if his call was found on engineer's mobile as a last caller.
MLA elective representative officerank phone कित्याक करता? अरे बाबा खंय वणो पडला लोक येवन आमकां हे करता जाल्यार आमी त्या ऑफिसान फोन करता येतो अर्थ तेंच्यांनी प्रत्येक मनशान फोन केलो की सुसायड करता ऑफिसान अशें आहा लास्ट कोल काँग्रेस MLAचो आसलो काय आनी कोणाचो आसलो हांव नकळो कदाचित म्हाजोय कॉल आसूंक शकतालो कोणी कंप्लेन केल्ली जाल्यार तो अर्थ तुमी म्हाजें नांव छापून हाडटले जाल्यार दुसरे दिसा.
Media questioned him whether engineers are burdened with the workload. Mandrekar said that they are not burdened at all. In fact, there were incidents where people have manhandled officers for no actions on work proposals.
तणाव येवपाचो प्रश्नच येना तणाव कित्याक येतलो अशा पद्दतीचे म्हाका तरी कोणीन सांगून बाबा आमी तणाव हेतून आमचेर भरपूर तणाव आसा की खरें सांगचें जाल्यार 10 फावटीन सांगल्यार सुद्दां इंजिनियर कामूच करिना तेजे तणाव कसलो येला तो समजना. त्या दिसा आमची शापोरा उदक नासलें 200 लोक म्हाज्या घरा कडेन येयले हांवें सांगलें सगळे फिल्डार आनी ऑफिसरांक थंय फिल्डाराक पयले लोकांनी तो शाणपणां सांगता म्हणजे तेजे बुसकटाक पासून घट धरलो चव्हाण म्हणून पर्वरी आहा पळय एका भूस घट धरलो आनी मारपाकूय आसलें हांव अक्षरशः पांयां पडला तांकां एटलीस्ट हांव फुड्यान म्हणून तरी आतलो नाका म्हणून.
Police have recorded statement of 8 persons in Kiran Godbole's suicide case till now. This includes Godbole's office colleagues and family members. Police are waiting to record statement of Godbole's wife. The statement will be certainly crucial and shed some light on the facts of the case and MLA Babu Kawrekar's link. Bureau Report, Prudent. Compensation to Tilari Dam affected people has hit a roadblock as Tilari residents do not trust their government. Water Resources Minister Dayanand Mandrekar says people want the amount to be credited in their bank accounts directly rather than handing it over to the Maharashtra government. But Maharashtra government has not submitted the list of dam affected people. Compensation will burden Goa with 30 odd crores.
Tilari Dam has affected around 950 farmers in the border areas of Goa, Maharashtra. Goa's share in the project is 73%, while Maharashtra's share is 27%. Goa government will have to bear a burden of 33 crores if it has to compensate almost 1,000 farmers. Each farmer will be compensated with a one-time sum of 5 lakh rupees. Tirari Dam affected people have requested Goa government to credit the compensation amount directly in their bank accounts and not to hand it over to the Maharashtra government. But the Maharashtra government is dilly-dallying in submitting detailed lists of names of farmers affected due to Tirari Dam project.
आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टरान दोनदा तांकां पत्र बरयली केन्ना मिटींग घेवया काय म्हणून. जाल्यार ह्या दोनूय पत्रांक महाराष्ट्राच्या खंयच्याच अधिकाऱ्यान PW आपले वॉटर रिसोर्सीस मिनिस्टर आसात किंवा चीफ मिनिस्टर आसात तेंच्यांनी कसलोच रिस्पॉन्स दिवंक ना. आतां महाराष्ट्राचे इलेक्शन लागल्या कारणान तेंच्यांनी इल्लो नेट आनीक धरलो. म्हणजे कदाचित इलेक्शन जर नासले महाराष्ट्राचे जाल्यार ते थोडे नरम जावन ते तीन लाखाचेर एग्री जावंक शकताले. पूण आज तांकां संदी मेळ्ळी कारण इलेक्शन म्हटल्यार तो सगळे पक्ष सगळे पॉलिटिशियन हे खंय तरी इलेक्शनाच्या हेतून ही विकती पेडा नाका अशें म्हणून तेंच्यांनी ती स्पेशल ही बैठक घेव म्हणून आमी फाटलीं 2 वर्सां सांगताले तांकां. पैसे आहा पळय न्हू तुमी फाल्यां बाबा 34 कोटी किंवा 35 कोटी जे जाता ते काडून जर तुमी महाराष्ट्रा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन दिशात आनी आमकां दी म्हणून तशी तूक करूं नाका म्हणून सांगल्या तेंचे. ते लोक सांगता हे पैसे आहा पळय हे तुमी आमचे कडेन दिया म्हणजे बँक अकाउंट.
म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राक सांगिल्लें की बेगीच्या बेगीन आमकां तांचे म्हणजे बँक नांवां बँक अकाउंट आनी सगळे ESC कोड आनी कितें आमकां सगळें ऑथेंटिकेटेड बाय कलेक्टर आमकां नांवां धाड म्हणून. आमी तांकां कितल्या फाटी हें केलें अजून काय ती नांवां येवना आमकां. आनी ताका आमी प्रोविजन पसून केलां ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान केलां सीएमान ऑनरेबल सीएमान कितले म्हणजे 38 पॉयंट कितले तरी क्रोर्स we have already budgeted in supplementary demands. And we are ready with our this. Only आम्ही तांच्याकडे हे रावता तांचे लिस्ट आणि हे येते की लिस्ट येते की आम्ही ट्रान्सफर करतले.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Tulsidas Shari for Prudent.
Looks like State Congress has decided to pull up its sleeves and move ahead with party rebuilding. GPCC President John Fernandez has submitted names of 40 block presidents and 2 district presidents to Rahul Gandhi and Digvijay Singh. John Fernandez had dissolved all 40 blocks in last week of August this year. Congress Party's mass contact program begins from Wednesday in Madkai.
1 तारखेर ऑक्टोबर आमची मास कॉन्टॅक्ट कॅम्पेन चलतली. मेंबरशिप अँड मीटिंग द पीपल इन जनरल. दॅट प्रोग्राम विल स्टार्ट टुमॉरो 23 तारखेर ह्या महिन्याचे. हांवें लिस्ट सबमिट केला. दिग्विजय सिंग बाबा कडेन केला आणि राहुल गांधी कडेन केला. म्हणटकच दोनूय लिस्ट हे कमिटीचे 40 ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट काँग्रेस कमिटी प्रेसिडेंट and 2 district Congress committee president has been submitted to High Command. So let's say ते approval दितले. थोडे कडेन कितें जाला युनॅनिमिटी ना थंय 2 नांवां गेल्या. हांवें तांचो वकरांचो बॅकग्रावंड दिला आनी म्हजें सजेशन दिला. म्हणटकच ते म्हाका क्लियर केलें म्हणटकच म्हाका कन्सल्ट करतले मागीर आमी अनावन्स करतले गोंय. फुडें फाल्यां मास कॅम्पेन आमची सुरू जातली. फाल्यां मडकय मिटींग आसा आमची. मागीर परां मागीर आनीक मिटींग आसतली.
मीटिंग म्हणजे पब्लिक मीटिंग जातली.
हय पब्लिक मीटिंग. इट इज अ काँग्रेस मीटिंग फर्स्ट and then we will hold mass public meeting in the second round because this mass contact campaign starts on 1st of October. It will culminate on 31st of December for 3 months.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.